Today's video will cover how to fill out the 2019 EMU Nursing Application. As you can see, we just go to emich.edu/chhs/nursing. From that page, just click on the link for the application. The application page shows you what you need in order to fill out the application. The application will take about 20 minutes. You'll need your Eagle ID number, a copy of your ATIT's test results in PDF form. If you are a second bachelor's student, you will need your second degree plan of study, and you will also need a credit card for the $30 application fee. To log into the application, simply scroll down to the bottom and put in your EMich Net ID and your password and log in. The first page of the nursing application will ask you to upload your ATIT's test results. This is the summary page with the colorful bars on it that have your individual percentages for each of the 4 categories. Simply click Upload Document and upload the file from your desktop. The next question asks you if you're applying for the BSN traditional program. Click yes or no. Most people will click yes. And if you have a bachelor's degree already, you will need to click yes. If you do not have a bachelor's degree already, you will click no. For those of you that click yes, you will need to upload your plan of study. This also needs to be a PDF. And click that you are applying for the second degree program. I do not have a degree, so I am going to click no. And click Save and Continue. The next page is very easy. All it asks for is your EMU ID number, your first name, your last name, and your mailing address. Please note that your mailing address is the mailing address that the School of Nursing will send your decision letter to. The School of Nursing typically will send letters out around June 1st. So put the address someplace you will be on June 1st or send to a family member that you know that will be checking your mail. Also make sure you have an accurate email address and phone number. If an advisor has a question about your nursing application, this is how they will contact you. When you filled out this page, simply click Save and Continue. The next page allows you to fill out the application to calculate your points. This does all of the math for you, so do not worry about making an error in the math. Scroll down to the calculator and you will first enter your Anthropology 135 or Sociology 105 grade. Pick whichever grade is the highest. First, you will type in where you took the class, the semester you took it, and the year that you took it, followed by the credit hours. Finally, you will put the grade in on a 4-point scale. If you look above, it will give you the conversion chart. So if you had an A in this class, you will put a 4, an A minus, a 3.7, a B plus, a 3.3, and so on. I got an A in this class, so I will put a 4. I will then move on to the next category, Writing 121. For the sake of this video, I am not going to fill out the next 3 areas, but I will just put credit hours and grades in to show you how it calculates. The Writing 121, I got an A minus in, so I would put a 3.7. For Math Gen Ed, I took Math 110, which is 3 credit class, and I also got an A minus. Psychology, I took in high school and received AP credit for, and the AP credit is displayed on my unofficial EMU transcript. Because I received AP credit, I will leave this line blank. Please do not put credit hours in this column if you have taken the course and received AP credit. If you put in credit hours, the calculator will calculate the grade as an F because you didn't put a grade in. Again, ACT, CLEP, AP, please leave blank. The next line, I took EDPS 325, which is a 4 credit class, and I got a B plus. Chemistry, I took, which is a 4 credit hour class, and the first time I took it, I got a C, and chose to take it a second time, and got an A. This will automatically average your grades together. A C and an A averaged together is a B or a 3.0. But it does all this automatically for you. The next line, I took Exercise Science 201. I got an A-. I did not retake this class, so I will leave this line blank. Exercise Science 202. I got a B+ then, so I will put in a 3.3. As you can see, this automatically calculated my prerequisite GPA and my science GPA. If I scroll down further, the application automatically tells me how many points I received for each category. So for prereq GPA points, I received 262.17, and for science GPA points, I received 82.5. Scrolling down, I will now enter my EMU points. I took anthropology here, so I'll put in 3 credits in this column, and it will automatically give me 6 points. I will continue to do this, and I did take psychology and got AP credit for it, so I did not take it here, so I will put a 0. And then I will finish filling out the rest with the number of credits because I took all of my classes except for Psych 101 here. This shows me that I am receiving 46 EMU points. Next, I will look at my ATIT scores and type in the percentage score for each category. In reading, I received an 85, which gets me 5 points for the T's. If I were to get a score below the minimum requirement, which is a 69%, if I put that number in, it will give me 0 points. Next, I will put in my math score, my science score, and my English score. Based on my scores, I've received 15 out of 20 points. If you've taken the application twice, remember that it is your best overall test. You cannot pick and choose categories from each test to give you the best score. Next, it will ask me if I successfully completed Nursing 110. Successfully means a C or better. I will click yes, and I will receive 7 points. Finally, the application asks me the number of waivers. I received AP credit for Psych, which is a waiver, so I will put in 1, and I will receive 3 points. Most students will not have waivers. Most students will put in 0 for this line. Finally, the application will show me the number of points for admission. I am applying for nursing school with 415.67 points. Lastly, make sure you read below. You are agreeing that the information that you provided is accurate. It also notes that there will be orientations required for the program on June 25th and August 26th. These orientations are mandatory. And it notes that you must submit all of your clinical health requirements by July 31st. This information will be given to you if you're admitted into the program in your acceptance letter. When you are done with this page and have read everything, all you need to do is click Submit. Once you click Submit, it will give you a summary page and ask for your credit card payment of $30. Then your application is complete. As stated earlier, the nursing application letters will go out letting students know if they've been admitted to the program or not around June 1st. It could be a little earlier, it could be a little bit later. If you do have any questions, please feel free to contact the EMU School of Nursing at 734-487-2310. Have a great day.